So I pop this off. I'm gonna just dab a drop of super glue back in there and then run these wires, and then my button for my garage door opener will be right there. So I can just doot doot. Earlier I mounted my I just super glued in a piece down here so it wouldn't slide around, my garage door opener. And then for that, I just got a blank Momentary switch. I didn't want to get a push button switch because then it would just constantly send a signal to open my garage. So just a push button, so once and it's good to go, and then once again to close it, and it always returns to the same position. So the way the Momentary switches work is only when you are actively pushing it does it allow the signal to be sent. And for wiring this up, let's see here, I just have the red and green, so just in and out. So when you push the button, it makes the connection, and I have it soldered in here around the push button for my garage one. So I'll button everything back up and then show you what everything looks like. Alright, for the garage door opener, as you can tell, I'm in my garage. And here, with what does not look like a button, but it is, just give it a push. And there it goes.